it's Audrey, and this video is going to be a little haul about my must-have items for spring. As the weather warms up, my skincare, style, and other needs change, so I figured I'd share with you some transitional pieces and products that I gravitate towards around this time. There's a lot I want to talk about, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with skincare, as this video is in partnership with Lucia, a vegan and cruelty-free skincare brand that uses non-toxic, plant-derived ingredients. I've actually done a video on their products before in my nighttime routine video, which I'll have linked in the description if you want to take a look. They sent me one of their starter kits, which comes with their ocean cleanser, a sea minerals toning mist, hydrating oil, and atmosphere protection moisturizer. All travel sized, which is perfect if you're going on a trip for spring break or even if you just want to test out their products. They have a starter set for every skin type, but because I have sensitive combination skin, I chose the remineralizing and hydrating set because I thought it would be more appropriate for remoisturizing after the dry winter skin months. Out of all these products, my favorite is probably the ocean cleanser, just because I feel it's really gentle but pretty effective in removing any makeup I might have worn that day. I only have one other skincare product, which is a sunscreen I just started using from Supergoop. It's called their Unseen Sunscreen, and it's SPF 40, but what's cool about it is it goes on completely clear. Since springtime usually means more time spent outside for everyone, I figured you all would appreciate an SPF that doesn't leave that dreaded white cast on the skin. I'm very tan, so this product works for me. Moving on to beauty, I just wanted to show you a few nail polish colors I received from Essie, and I'll have the color names listed below. I was lucky enough to meet with some of their team, learn about their newest collection, and they gave me this fun little manicure with a few of their spring colors. Here's a few swatches of my favorites that I brought home. They definitely remind me of the colors of spring, and I think adding a colorful nail color or some nail art to your look is nice once the winter gloves come off and we switch our shoes out for sandals. For clothing, I've been really into two-piece skirt and short sets because you can easily wear them as a set or mix and match them with something warmer like a sweater or jeans in case it's a colder spring day. You can get a little more out of an outfit like this since it's two pieces in one, which makes it perfect if you're looking to pack light during spring vacations as well. These three printed sets are for sure coming with me on my next trip. This coral off-shoulder and skirt set is from the brand Lovin, as well as this floral tie top and short set. And the one-shoulder striped top and skirt set is from the brand Space. I consider spring to be bikini season, so swimsuits are a must for me, but particularly swimwear that can also be styled into an everyday outfit. I find one-piece swimsuits perfect for pairing with denim as a top. You can easily wear it out and then just take off your bottoms if you want to jump in the water. But I'm also really into bikini tops that offer a little more coverage and can work as a crop top to wear with something high-waisted. The white swimsuit is the brand Blue Life, the striped one piece is Space, and the yellow swim top is Lovin. Onto accessories, I've picked out a few fun sunglasses because I feel like they add a little something extra to an outfit, protect your eyes against the sun, and are just a spring break staple in my opinion. Aviator frames are my favorite type of sunglasses, so I picked up these pink mirrored ones from Diff Eyewear. These heart-shaped frames from Key Australia I thought were so cute. The red is also a nice pop of color. And then I picked up these cat-eye tortoiseshell frames because they're a little bit more neutral but still an interesting shape. As for shoes, I tend to wear a lot of sandals when the weather gets warm, so I wanted to share these two from Revolve, and the brand is Ray. The first is a heeled sandal that I wore in my spring lookbook video. It's a strappy heel with braided jute trim, so they kind of remind me of espadrilles, which are definitely season appropriate. And the other sandal is a pair of slides that have woven detailing on the straps. I'm really into how the natural fabrics pair with the style of these sandals, casual but still put together. The heel I would probably use to dress up a spring outfit, while the slides would dress it down. Last of all is a travel essential, I suppose, and they're packing cubes. I got these from the brand Calpac, and they help so much whenever I'm going on a trip, to save space, separate outfits, just to stay organized in general. The leaf print is also the main reason I picked these out, because if you know me, you know I love plants, but they're also incredibly useful. In this case, for any spring travel plans you might have. So that's going to be it for my spring must-haves. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!